In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a custom color scheme in PowerPoint for Mac. Let's get started. First, you need the colors you want to use. For your brand colors, you need to have either a color swatch or the RGB or hex codes for each color. You can also download a color swatch or palette from a web-based palette generator. On most of these sites, you can pick your own colors, view potential palettes, and generate a color palette from an image. If you aren't sure where to start with choosing colors, watch my video on picking colors for a color scheme. I like using the sites Coolors and Design.ai to pick a color scheme. The links are in the description below. Display the palette image so you can see it side by side with the PowerPoint window, or you can add the image temporarily to a blank slide. From the Design tab, expand the Variants option by clicking the small down arrow. Highlight Colors and then click the Customize Colors at the bottom of the menu. The pop-up window shows the different colors of the current color scheme. For the text background colors, I usually leave those at the default. Click the square color of the first accent color, then click the eyedropper. The eyedropper stays active over the entire screen until you click. Click a color on the color palette image, then close the colors pop-up window. As a side note, accent 1 is the default shape color. Click the next square color and repeat this until all of the accent colors have been changed. If you don't have 6 colors on your palette, a quick tip is to use a medium gray to fill in the final color. Give the color scheme a name, then click the Save button. Delete the color palette image if you've added it to the slide. When you look at the new color scheme, PowerPoint automatically creates the different color saturations in the color fill menus. The color scheme is also saved on the Colors menu from the Design tab. Continue watching for more slide design tips and tricks.